To open the TST in graphical mode. So when I do TQT and enter, the TST will open in graphical mode. Okay. Now, when you look at this TST, my TST currently status is showing as first issue, right? So what was my first step? In my steps, what did I say? Once you open the TST, second thing, what you need to do is click on set TST to manual reissue. So which I will do it here. So this is my TST. I can see under actions here, next to actions here, you will see set TST to manual reissue. So I click on this. So I get a pop-up message which says the TST will be updated. Click to continue, click OK to continue. I click OK. The moment I do that, now can you see here? What is the issuing status now? It has become reissue, right? So after this, very important, you make sure you click on update. Okay, the next step is to update. So you will get a message here, success message, that your TST is updated. So now your TST is ready for the manual reissue. Now we need to update all other details in this. So what are the details I need to update? I need to update this 190 X-ray Charlie Papa tax, which is my date change penalty. And I also need to add this 840 dirhams, which is my fare difference. So how I will do this? First, to update the tax, I will click here, view modify taxes. The moment I click on view modify taxes, I will see all my taxes which are paid as showing the status is showing as paid. All I need to do is add the new tax Charlie Papa. So when I click inside the box, automatically AED is coming here, picking the same currency. When I click on the second box and I will enter the amount 190, which is my tax amount. What is the code for this? Charlie Papa. It is to be paid, so nothing to be done here. Just scroll down, click on update. Okay, again, you will see a message here, success message. So that means your update has been done successfully. One second, huh? Guys, please. Okay, so my TST for the taxes has been updated here. Okay, so my new taxes I have added here and it's been updated. Then I go back to my TST. So I will click on view modify TST. When I click on view modify TST, I can see here my total amount is showing 190. Okay, this I have to change because I also need to add this 840 dirhams. So the total should be 1030, right? So I will change this here. I will make this 1030. And then I will come here and click on update. Now that first issue which I showed you, right? That first issue, FO, suppose you don't remember that FO entry. You can add that first issue from here also, from the graphical mode. So you see there is an option here which says create optional issuance, original issuance, sorry. I will put this here. So either you can do an FO in, or you can just click here. You can just click here, click on original issue. So your original issuance, all the details will be here. Nothing to be done. Just click on create. And if you will now notice in your PNR, in your TST, the original issuance information also is added. Again, I will click on update. Okay, again, whenever you update, you should get this message. So that means the information has been updated. Now I can close this box here on the left, on right hand side. There is one X here, right? Just click on this. So the box will close. It will show you your PNR. Make sure you save this. So do the saving entry. Okay. So now all the information is saved. To open the TST in cryptic, leave a space, do TQT. Check all the details now. So you will see here your new itinerary. Your status is currently in reissue. So it's showing R over here. Your base fare is showing as R. Down, you will see the grand total, which is the total additional collection. And you can see this X over here, which is the new tax that you're collecting, 190 Charlie Papa. You can also see the first original issuance line is also here in the TST. Now all you need to do is you need to remove this old form of payment, FPO/cash. This was your old form of payment on this original ticket. I need to remove this and add the old and the new together. So I will remove this. I will do XE11. This is line number 11 here. So I will do XE11, remove this. And now I will do this entry Fox Papa Oscar, which is my original form of payment, slash the form of payment cash. Okay. Add a plus sign, then add one more slash. And now I will put my new form of payment. So in this case, again, my new form of payment also is cash. If it is something else, if it is invoice or any other new form of payment, you can do that as well. Okay, it is not necessary. Old and new have to be same. Old has to be same as per the ticket. New can be different. Okay, new can be either cash, invoice, card, whatever you want to add. Then I will add it, and after this, I will save. Okay, always after updating anything, please save the PNR. Once you have saved, one more final check before you want to issue. So leave a space, do TQT, enter, and check all the details. So what are the details you will check? Firstly, you will check whether it is under reissue status. Secondly, you will see the total amount if it is correct as per your calculation. Third, you will check if the first original issue information is updated. And fourth, you will check whether the old and new form of payment is updated. So in this check, everything is updated. My TST is completely ready now for issuance. What is my TST number? TST number is 2. So when I'm giving the issuance command, it will start with Tango Tango Papa slash my TST number Tango 2 slash Romeo Tango, enter. And you will get the message, OK, e-ticket. Now when you will open your PNR, you will see your new ticket number is come over here. What is the total amount on this ticket? 1030, which is your additional collection. The rest all details are same, like your date of issue, which office ID it is issued, what is the IATA number, which are the segment numbers. So everything is there in the FA line. You can open this TWD/Lima 6. So this is your new ticket now. What is your additional collection? 1030. You will also see your first original issuance here and your old and your new form of payment. If you want to see the tax breakup, TWD/tax. So you can see these are all the paid taxes. Wherever you see PD, 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 these are all the paid taxes. PD stands for paid. And here you don't see a PD. So this was the new tax which was collected on this reissued ticket. Okay. So wherever there is no PD, that is the new tax which was collected. If you want to open the original e-ticket from here, the original ticket which was reissued, just do TWD/Oscar star, enter. This will show you that your ticket has been exchanged. The old ticket was exchanged, status is changed to exchanged. This was the fare and the taxes on the old ticket. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah, very
Now it
clear.
is better. It is
Thank you.
better now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
Yeah.
have a
Okay.
question.
Sir, I have
Yeah. Yes, yes. One by one. Okay. Tell me.
Pick the people.
Okay, Shraddha, go ahead. Tell me.
Acha. I have a question in when we are modifying
Mhm.
uh the reservation when we do before view modify TST, we clicked
Hmm.
modify TST, we have to check the total amount,
Hmm.
fare difference plus penalty. So
Right.
here we have only added the penalty of 190.
Correct.
And then that on that
In view modified
in the
taxes,
view
you will put
modify
the
taxes.
total amount. You will put the total
Meaning
amount.
we have, there is no separate column for fare difference and it
No.
automatically gets calculated. So we need to tell system this is the
Yeah.
change penalty or maybe this is the separate taxes.
No.
However, in total, we need to total everything and we need to mention it there.
Exactly. So you don't have to mention in the TST that, okay, this much is my fare difference, this much is my change fee. The system already knows you have entered the change fee in the taxes. So
Mm.
it knows that 190 is the change fee. You only
The
need to
remaining.
update the total amount, the total additional collection on the reissued ticket. That only you will mention in the total.
Okay.
Suppose you had any other tax difference also, you would put everything together, total amount there in the total section.
Okay.
Okay, next question.
Sir, I have a
Yeah, tell me.
thing I forgot. Yesterday we used for the pricing FXF and FXQ for the pricing. Now we are using FXX and FXP. Why?
Yes, very good question. Can somebody answer? What is your name? Aju.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Why are we doing FXX today and why did we do FXF yesterday?
Because today we are doing manual. Yesterday
Exactly.
we learned ATC.
So we are doing a different topic today, Aju. I'm not sure whether you were there in the beginning, but yesterday what we were doing was we were doing ATC reissue, where system will calculate everything on its own. When do we do ATC reissue? When the airline is a participating carrier in ATC reissue. Okay. Manual reissue will happen when the airline is not participating in ATC reissue, or for some reason ATC reissue is not repricing the itinerary, and maybe sometimes if the fare is low, because for ATC to reprice there should be some difference, some fare difference, some tax difference, something should be there. Then only it will calculate. If the current fare is lower, ATC will not reissue. So in that scenario, you can do a manual reissue. Okay, Aju. So today we are using
Yeah, sir.
FXX
Yeah, sir.
entry because we are doing manual reissue.
Yeah, okay, sir. Right.
Okay, this is a different topic what we're doing today. Okay, now coming to,
Richard,
yeah,
another question. Sorry.
no
Just
problem.
open that ticket image now, which you just opened right now on your screen.
Hmm.
Okay, just scroll up. When we issue the ticket, okay, scroll little down. Just the ticket
Down,
image.
down.
You've
Which ticket, the
mentioned
original ticket or the reissue ticket?
anything, the reissue ticket.
The reissue ticket. Okay, this is the reissue ticket.
Okay, on the reissue ticket, you have mentioned somewhere, we can see on the ticket also. That's T stand for ticketed and then R stands for reissue.
Here,
On the ticket image over here, there is one line.
yeah,
No,
here.
no, no, not this. Above somewhere it was. It was like a following line somewhere. A CCETS. No, not this. ET SQ slash, yeah, there, this line.
Hmm. So ET is basically your e-ticket, no?
And then
Even
ER
if it
should be
is
the reissued, no?
no.
Somewhere R
For reissue, this ET will not change. It will remain the same. Even if it's a
remain.
reissue ticket, it will still show ET.
So how do I
For EMD,
identify this ticket
it's
is
showing like
reissued?
email.
Yeah. For EMD, it will be D. For ticket, it will be T. And
Okay.
Shraddha, your question, how will I know whether it's a reissued? One is from this amount. You can see this amount is much lesser. A Dubai Singapore ticket will not cost 1000 dirhams, right?
1000.
So
Yeah,
that should
correct.
strike somewhere to you that it's a reissue ticket. And when you open the ticket, anyways, you will come to know. The moment you
With
will
this
open
R.
this ticket,
Hmm.
you will see that it's a reissue ticket.
Reissue ticket. Okay.
And your total amount will always have A over there. A means additional collection. Okay. And
Oh.
also below, if you see in the ticket, one first original issue information will be there. And there will
Hmm.
be your form of payment also will be old and new. Whereas
Plus,
if you
plus,
look
yeah.
at your original ticket, there is no FO line here.
Hmm.
There is no FPO slash cash plus slash cash. So this also is an
Understood.
indicator that this is a new ticket and this is a reissue ticket.
Okay. Understood.
Clear?
Clear. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, now we will look at the example where we can do the same reissue, but this time we will do it with the entries. So if you guys are okay with graphical, it's fine. If some of you want to do it with the entries, you can note down these entries, which I'll do now. So let me open another PNR to do the manual entries. Okay, is it 13? Okay, all right. So similar scenario, passenger wants to do date change for 25th of January on Lima class. How we will reissue?